Morning! It's day 23. Still going for his morning wee. Thought you might like to see it. This is my December watercolours. Cyril's appreciating them, aren't you, Cyril? Yes, go sit on them. Just some watercolours that I've done this December in my lives mainly. Lots of roses, lots of robins. How many robins have I painted? Let's see. There's one there. 1, 2, 3 robins. Hello, Cyril. Hello. There. And a partridge in a pear tree, of course. Can't miss that. And lots of flowers. This is my favourite one. And if you'd like one, just give us a shout. And they're for sale. Not Doggy though. Not Cyril. He's not for sale. What's that one? Pretty, pretty. And a snowy scene. You right, Cyril? Yeah. Do you want a treat? I think he wants a treat. Christmas Eve musical. I'm just liking the way the tree looks sparkly. Happy Christmas Eve! This is Bishop Auckland, where I live, the town centre. It's got pretty buildings. Well, it's the 24th, it's Christmas Eve, and I finally got round to do my shopping this morning. Didn't leave it too late, did I? It's all done now and wrapped and under the tree. Yay! Cyril doesn't think much, do you? Just wants to know where his present is. Where's my present, Mum? Good boy. Cyril, it's Christmas. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. Open your present. It's Christmas. It's in there. It's Christmas. Santa's been. Ooh, it's in there. Open it then. It's for Yeah, okay. What's that? Ooh. That was so squeaky. And gravy bones. Oh, and treats. Christmas lunch. Oh, good morning. You can't really see much. I can hear an owl. It's snowing. Sort of snowing. Boxing Day. Snowing. Go back in. It's snowing. Morning. It's raining now. Good morning. Yeah, I'm in my studio and I sort of started to move stuff around and it's a mess and I want to paint and I can't because everywhere's a mess as well as my hair. I've just woken up, excuse me. I just like have an itch to paint and I can't and it's annoying me, so I'm gonna sort of tidy up the mess a bit. It's just, I'm not sure where to put things. I need to utilise that window somehow. I'll see what I can move.